Hey guys, Brent here, BJM Motor Co. Just on my way home from a car show, and wanted to make a little announcement that I am partnering with one of my buddies, and we're starting a new channel, or have started a new channel. It is called B&B Power Sports. It's my buddy Bryce. He's our salesman at the car lot for my brother and I, and he has a passion for cars. Has a sick 15 Mustang and a 66 Mustang convertible. Has the same passion for cars. I told him, I said, you know what, let's just combine our YouTube channel. So I wanted to make a video. You know, I know I have a few subscribers, nothing crazy, but it'd be awesome if you guys would switch over and subscribe to that channel. Give us a little motivation to put some cool videos out. We did a video yesterday on doing a 3-step paint correction on a 12 GMC Denali that I got in at the car lot, and Bryce helps me and did the buffing on it, showed the steps of how to, and a few tips. And we got some video footage of the car show today. A lot of sweet cars, Ford GT, C706, SRT 10 Viper, ZL1 Camaros, awesome Velocity Blue 2019 GT350 Mustang. I mean, the list goes on and on. Bryce had both his cars there. His dad's cars were there. I took my dad, which is C7 Vet, which I'm in right now. Yeah, just I wanted to make a video. So all my subscribers, if you can, you know, show us a little support and go over to B&B Power Sports. It's our new channel. Definitely will step it up. He has a lot of connections with cool cars, so I mean, we'll take him out, shoot videos of acceleration poles. You know, he's wanting to do a lot of stuff to his Mustang GT50. He's wanting to, you know, he's only got an exhaust on it now. He's wanting to do a lot of upgrades. We'll show how-tos and, you know, show the cool features along the way. And you know, we both plan on getting different cars in the future, let alone the cars that come through the car lot and stuff. So I mean, yeah, just subscribe to our new channel, B&B Power Sports. Show us some love, and don't forget to subscribe and watch our videos there and let us know what you think. Thanks for following me, and stay tuned. I'll still post a few things up here and there on BJM Motor Co. But want to switch our focus. Both want to switch our focus to the B&B Power Sports. So come over, check it out, and let us know what you think. Thanks.